So I'm Ankit, I'm representing AdPushUp here, and the problem which we are trying to solve here is for web publishers or website owners. And so to begin, it's going to be a little fast because we're trying to sum up 2,500 hours of collective knowledge into 2 or 3 minutes. But we've been working on it since last 1 year now, almost 1 year on and off. And the problem which we are trying to solve here is that in display advertising, the CTRs, the click-through rates have been falling, continuously. They've already hit 0.1%, and this is primarily happening because of a phenomenon called banner blindness, right? Most of us don't, give our attention to banner ads on the internet, which is why display advertising is suffering at this point in time, right? The CTRs are going down. And this hurts web publishers who put in a lot of time to create content which is freely available on the internet, and the only way these web publishers or website owners make money is by these ads, right? No ads, no money, these web publishers go down, the very essence of internet, free access to information goes down. So we are trying to help web publishers optimize their ad revenues by fighting banner blindness and ad blocking softwares also. We do this by using a process called A/B testing, or rather it is advanced A/B testing. We use our own multi-arm bandit algorithms to find a solution. The software which we built is basically a visual editor and a reporting tool. It helps web publishers automatically place ad units. So right now we are supporting WordPress plus AdSense websites. It helps you place ad units on your websites, create variations, deploy them on your website, and then use them to the system automatically keeps testing between the best placements and helps you fight banner blindness. So it automatically improves the ad revenues which your websites is doing just by using this visual editor. There is no current solution for doing it. Visually placing ads is not possible, and testing this, if you do this manually, the complete setup on a website takes about half an hour to 45 minutes, and if you do this manually, creating all those ad variations in AdSense, then placing on your websites, ensuring only 3 ad units show at a time, it would take you 2 or 3 days to do the setup, and provided you already have knowledge of how to hack JavaScript and all, right? Which is for very few publishers have that. Right now we are a little off. The product is complete. We are in private beta right now, and we have a little bit of early traction. Atul will take us through the demo. We right now are doing about 10 million ad impressions monthly. This was our last figure. This month we closed with about 30-35 million ad impressions served. We're growing at 300% month on month, and Atul will take you through the demo now.
Hi guys. Okay, so very quickly, I'll just go through the product demo. So AdPushUp, as Ankit said, it's a A/B testing platform for ads, advanced A/B testing platform. So this is the report things obviously cannot cover in this year. I'll quickly show you the editor. So this is a website. This is the venture that we have innovated with the blog. So let's, very quickly, I'll just show you how to insert an ad. Simply click on an element, just click on the ad size, go to the insert after, then you have an ad. Simply click here. You just create variations. I click another one. I click another color. You can see the sample here. I simply can create more ads. I simply have to click on next step. And it will take around 3 minutes to sync. My plugin is already installed, and I go to the website, and the ad will show. Right? So it's as simple as that. It's very easy to actually create variations, display ads, test them, and automatically using the proprietary multi-arm bandit algorithm, it will choose the best ads and show them here. So it basically increases ad revenues. And
right now we're getting about 65% improvement in ad revenues. The average improvement in revenues for every participating website is 65%. And I'm Ankit Oberoi, he's Atul Agarwal. We dropped out of college in 2007 to start Innovus. That's our first venture. It's still running, cash flow positive company, NASCOM members, DCI members. That's the cash cow right now, and we're using that money to build AdPushUp, completely committed to this right now. We have a management team taking care of it. And we are looking for people who share the passion about web, to help web publishers, website owners, to help any problem. This not just monetization. Our aim is to help web publishers. So if you care for them, we are with you. We'll have you on board. Right? Awesome.